Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you a quick water test on the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G version. When unboxed, you get a charging adapter, cable, case and the manual. A52 5G is built with Snapdragon 750 chipset with Adreno 612 GPU and featured a 6.4-inch Super Amoled screen. And it comes with a hard plastic mid-frame and plastic rear cover alongside Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front screen. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G is officially claimed and certified with IP67 ratings, which can last for 1.5 meter deep for 30 minutes. But still, let's see the waterproofing level on A52 5G. First, we place the A52 5G into a small tank and fill it with water and leave it for 5 minutes. Once the water starts pouring into the screen, it creates its responses, but the functionalities are still intact. The coating is helping to isolate the water droplets on the screen. There is no visible change on the phone after 5 minutes and all functionalities are seemed intact. Next is the IP67 test for 30 minutes under 1.5 meter deep tube. Let's start it by placing the A52 5G in the cylinder tube. It is about 15 minutes now and so far there is no visible change. After 30 minutes, we take out the phone and the A52 5G is still working in its original condition. It is no secret that Samsung bring the best waterproof phones and A52 5G is part of it.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Stay tuned and let us know what you think. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos. See you soon.